In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the start time of your sequence in Adobe Premiere Pro, a fundamental skill that can help you synchronize your sequences and improve the organization of your project. Let's get started by ensuring you've already opened the sequence you want to adjust. Once you've done that, draw your attention to the timeline panel, which is where most of your editing magic happens. In the top right corner of your Sequence tab within the timeline panel, you'll notice a small panel menu. It's recognizable by its icon, often referred to as the hamburger icon due to its three horizontal lines stacked together. Clicking on this icon will open up a drop-down menu offering several options that allow you to customize your timeline settings. From the list of options that appear, you should select Start Time or Sequence Start Time, depending on the version of Premiere Pro you're using. This option is crucial because it lets you determine the specific timecode your sequence will begin with. After selecting this option, a pop-up dialog box will emerge. Here, you'll need to enter the timecode value where you want your sequence to start. For instance, if you wish your sequence to start at 1 hour into the timeline, you would enter 01:00. Understanding timecodes is important in video editing, as they align your sequences accurately, helping to match video footage with other visual or audio materials. Setting an appropriate start time can streamline your editing process, especially if you're working with complex projects that involve multiple clips and sequences. You may also notice an option within this dialog box that allows you to set this start time as the default for future sequences. If you frequently work with projects that require the same start time, checking this box will save you from having to repeat these steps for every new sequence you create. It's an optional but handy feature for those looking to maintain consistency across multiple projects. Once you've entered your desired time code and made any additional selections for future sequences, simply click OK. You'll see that the timeline now reflects the new start time you specified. This ensures that all your edits and adjustments correspond with the timeline you've set, making the process smoother and more orderly. By adjusting the start time of your sequence, you're better equipped to handle tasks involving multiple layers of media, allowing everything to sync correctly from the very beginning. This not only enhances your editing efficiency, but also the organization and coherence of your final video projects. So take a moment to experiment with different settings to see what works best for you, and soon you'll find this small adjustment having a big impact on your workflow efficiency.